Welcome to the 2022 U.S. Transparency Awards presented by Labrador. Transparency by design.
Hello everybody, my name is Thibaut de Vavrin. I'm Labrador CEO. I'm very pleased to welcome you from Paris to the 4th edition of Labrador Transparency Awards. We don't think transparency is a vague concept or something that you can hide behind blurry information. No, for us, transparency has to its core a scientific methods. We reviewed 10K, proxies, code of conducts, and investor relationship websites. And we do that in a very detailed manner so that everybody can be judged on a fair way. So I'm very, very pleased to share with you all this information, all this knowledge through, on the one hand, our awards, where we're gonna shed light on very well-performing companies, but also by giving out all the criteria that we review. Everything we've done has to be transparent, for us, for you. Now, I welcome Neoma and Juku, our country manager, to enter into the list of the nominees and the awardees. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thibaut. Labrador's U.S. Transparency Awards honor those S&P 250 companies who have gone above and beyond to transparently communicate for the benefit of their stakeholders. Labrador collected more than 39,000 data points. Each company's disclosure documents were scored using 146 discrete criteria. Because of our extensive set of criteria and comprehensive methodology, the Transparency Awards recognize the quality and completeness of information that top U.S. companies make available. The 7 awards range from Most Improved and Best Proxy to Best Code of Ethics and Best Overall Transparency. This year, we saw winners across diverse industries, including healthcare, financial services, energy, and consumer staples. So, let's get started. Our first category is Most Improved. This company increased its score year over year by 23 percentage points. Congratulations to Becton Dickinson, winner, Most Improved Overall Disclosure in the 2022 Transparency Awards. Capital One Financial and Target was second and third in this category. Organizations often include insider jargon in their documents that make it more difficult for readers to understand. The use of simple and concise language enhances transparency. The winner in the 2022 Transparency Awards Plain Language category is Eli Lilly. Becton Dickinson and PACCAR were second and third in this category. In the category for Form 10K, the winner is Allstate for the 2022 Transparency Awards. Intel and Devon Energy were second and third in this category. Transparency online is critical, and nowhere is this more apparent and accessible than on the company's investor relations website. The 2022 Transparency Awards winner for Investor Relations website is Chubb. ExxonMobil and AT&T were second and third in this category. Especially in today's world, a clear, concise code of ethics, also known as code of conduct, reflects the purpose and values of an organization. It guides and influences the behavior of its board and employees. Winner, Code of Ethics 2022 Transparency Awards is AIG. Congratulations. Becton Dickinson and Procter & Gamble were second and third in this category. Proxy statements are one of the most important documents for shareholder review and thus one of the most critical areas for transparency. Among the many companies assessed, one stood out. Congratulations to CVS Health, winner of Best Proxy Statement 2022 Transparency Awards. Cognizant Technology and Anthem were second and third in this category. Finally, our top category, Best Overall Transparency 2022 Transparency Awards. This company triumphed among those judged, receiving high scores on all 4 documents reviewed: the Form 10K, the Proxy Statement, Investor Relations website, and its Code of Conduct. They included additional information beyond required disclosure and all produced graphics to draw attention to key information. This company had the most well-rounded documents across the board, earning the Best Overall Award. And the winner is Intel. We congratulate Intel for its standout achievement and dedication to transparency. CVS Health and Honeywell were second and third in this category. We'd also like to recognize and acknowledge the winners in each industry for commitment to transparent communications. In the utilities industry, the winners are Duke Energy, Public Services Enterprise Group, and Xcel Energy. For telecommunications service, the winners are Comcast, T-Mobile, and Verizon. Winners in the real estate business are CBRE, Prologis, and Welltower. In the materials industry, the winners are Dow, Freeport-McMoRan, and Newmont. For the information technology sector, the winners are Cognizant Technology, Intel, and Accenture. The industrials vertical included these winners: Honeywell, Lockheed Martin, and Rockwell Automation. The winners in the healthcare sector are Anthem, CVS Health, and Johnson & Johnson. In the financials industry, the winners are S&P Global, Allstate, and AIG. In the energy vertical, the winners are Occidental Petroleum, ConocoPhillips, and Devon Energy. The winners in the consumer staples industry are Coca-Cola, Colgate-Palmolive, and Altria. And finally, in the consumer discretionary, the winners are General Motors, The Home Depot, and Target. At Labrador, we are driven by the conviction that transparency inspires investor confidence and therefore creates value for companies and their stakeholders. Through the years, Labrador has helped hundreds of companies worldwide create authentic, reader-friendly disclosure documents. If you have any questions or would like to gain a better understanding of the criteria, please connect with us. Thanks for tuning in to the 2022 U.S. Transparency Awards presented by Labrador. We look forward to seeing you next year.